Hello friends, welcome to another video of Programming World for VI YouTube channel. This is Harsha here. Friends, in this video I'm going to teach you about if and else statement in Python. It is also called as conditional execution. Before watching this tutorial, friends, if you like this video, friends, please click like button, and if you want to get notified about future programming tutorials, please click subscribe. Thank you. So as I told friends, we are going to learn about conditional execution today. Why we need conditional execution, and what is conditional execution? Friends, when playing a game or while using a software or anything, like, you need something called as chances, means the life. Otherwise, like, the game will be over like that. So the game, some games will be constructed like that. And when it comes to the software part, if software has, means I'm talking about the softwares which requires license and all. So if software has activated, means genuinely activated, it will run. Otherwise, else, based on the condition, it will give output message that this software is not registered, please register this software. So how these will all happen, by the way, in programming? So this happen through conditional execution of the code. So friends, the pre-requirements for this tutorial are as follows. First, you need to know what is a boolean of type of means boolean data type, and you need to know about the comparison operators and logical operators and variables, what we have went through till now. So if you not went through those tutorials, friends, I request you to watch those videos and come to this. In this tutorial, friends, we are going to make a small game, that is guess a number. So where computer will pick a random number, and it will be stored in the memory, and we need to retrieve the number. So if the number is correct, so the computer will output as you guess the right number. Otherwise, it will output as you guessed the wrong number. The number was which number, it will print like that. So let us start the tutorial, friends. First, I need to open the PyCharm for the new project.
This PC, Harsha H, PyCharm Community Edition 2020.1x643040. Rate 30. Rate 25.
I decreased the rate actually, so it was very speedy.
Database viewer dash. 3 view focused.
So it opened my another project, which was database viewer. I will close this.
File menu selected. Menu item selected. Desktop list. Welcome to PyCharm. Recent projects list. Database viewer dash.
So a welcome screen appeared in front of me, and I'll press tab and create a new project.
Create new project button.
I hope you all know how to create a new project, so I will not explain in this tutorial how to create and all.
List location : panel edit selected untitled. Blank D E F T R T F U back S back U untitled select blank back blank.
I'll name the project as
Speak type characters S blank backslash S back F blank S blank line A line F U F D E R edit focused C : backslash users backslash Harsha HD backslash PyCharm projects backslash guess line align number.
guess a number. So I renamed the project as guess a number.
New environment using radio combo box for 2 location : panel edit C : base interpreter browse button shift inherit make avail create button cancel create button PyCharm.
So my project is creating now.
Guess line align number dash PyCharm frame focused.
I think it got created.
Guess line GU project tool window panel guess line align number C guess line external guess line align.
So now we are going to expand this guess the number.
Guess line align number C : backslash
source directory.
Level 3 van, level 2 guest, level 3 van, level 2 guest line, the line number, C colon backslash users
So in this
backslash
directory, I am going to create a new Python file by pressing applications.
Preview, new menu, file, news direct Python package, Python file. Project tool window panel, edit blank, edit focus blank, GUESS, line, NUMBER, edit focus, guess line number.
So the file name is guess underscore number, and I'll press enter.
Project tool window panel, guess line number dot py tab control, guess line number blank.
Friends, before doing the project, I want to discuss about the grammar of the conditional execution, means how to make proper if condition, if and else condition in Python. So the syntax for that is, you will type first the if keyword, if space, and the comparison, what you want to compare. For example, a less b, a greater than b, like that. So those are called as the comparison, and at last you will put colon. Then in the next line you will type one tab or space. So one tab or space, then you will if the condition, what a greater b, what a less than b, so if the condition is true, so the next line what you type will get executed, means what you type after typing a space or tab will get executed. If you print condition became true, so if we print like that, it will get printed. And in the next line you will take the else keyword. Make sure, friends, when you taking the else keyword, you don't require a space or a tab, because you are doing it in the main program now. So you will type else, else, and you will type colon. Then in the next line, as we type for the if statement, the condition became true, same here, by including space we will type condition became false. So let's experiment with this.
Blank.
We will ask user for 2 inputs.
Blank. A equals I N T N dash built-in select editor T line feed left parent. U list input left parent line editor for left right parent quote E space A space B E equals in left parent input left parent quote enter a value quote right parent line B equals I N T N dash built-in dash T line feed left parent E list input left parent line editor left right parent quote E N T E space B E quote right line feed.
So we took 2 inputs in the first 2 lines of the program.
Blank.
Then we are going to compare these 2 values.
Blank. I F if selected 1 to 1 editor for guess space.
If a is greater than b.
A greater list editor for b list b selected 1 to 12 colon editor for.
So if a is greater than b, means if the number a is bigger than b,
line feed,
then I will type enter. So in PyCharm it automatically puts the spaces how much it needed, as usual.
If a blank line space line feed if blank line space line feed space line feed.
So it typed space for me automatically, and I will type here
P and print left parent editor left right parent.
So hence a is greater than b, so hence the condition became true here. I will type a
List a selected
means EA will get printed here.
If print left parent, a right parent, line feed.
Then in the next line, when I typed enter, the PyCharm automatically put it the space for me to type another statement. What I need to type if the value is true. So I don't need another statement here because I am only printing the one variable, that's all here.
Space.
So I pressed backspace and I'm typing else.
Else selected 1 of 6. Else selected 1 of
So
6.
it came.
Editor for colon. Line print else colon. Line
Colon
feed.
also automatically put it here. Then in the next line, I'll print B.
And print left parent. Values cop. Edit left right parent. B. List. B selected 1 backslash. Edit right else print left parent. B right parent.
So the program is like this now.
Equals int left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter a value. Quote right parent. Right parent. B equals int left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter B value. Quote right parent. Right parent.
These two lines take input.
If a greater B colon.
So if A is bigger than B,
Print left parent. A right parent. B. Space.
so we included a space here.
If print left parent.
Sorry friends, I need to turn on the indentation mode in NVDA, so I forgot to turn on. So sorry from my side.
E. Space. If a print left parent. A right parent.
So because of that, it will not tell the spaces.
If a print left parent. A right parent.
So we put it one space here. PyCharm put it one space, and it printed, means we printed the A value. Else
colon.
if the condition is false,
print left parent. B right parent.
Print B. So that's it friends.
Line blank print else print blank.
So that's it about the if else condition, means if else conditional execution. So let us try it by executing the program now.
Run menu select run alt plus shift guess line number edit guess line number py tab control list 246 colon run select rerun tick guess line number tick button focus checked console tab control.
So I went to run menu alt plus U, and then I chose run, and I chose the file name. Then I pressed control tab to go to the run window, and then I landed on the run window, and I pressed shift tab to come to the console area.
Enter a value. Enter quotes. Enter a value. Enter a value.
Here it is asking, yeah, enter A value. So I will type 50.
0. Enter a value 50. Enter B value.
So B value I'll give 70.
70. Enter B value 70. Process fit blank 70. Enter B value 7 blank 70. Enter a value 50. Enter B value 70. 70.
So it printed as 70. In the last line, you notice that a plain text
blank 70.
70.
Enter B value 70. 70. Blank.
Then we can execute again.
Run menu. Run tick guess line number tick shift plus guess line number dot py tab. 2464 editor for RER. Console tab quotes enter a value.
So I'll type same 50.
50. Enter a value 50. Enter B value.
So B value I'll type 30.
30. Enter B value process finish process blank 50. Enter a value 50. Enter B value 30. 50.
So it printed as 50 because A is greater than B. 50 is greater than 30. So like that if and else work friends. So I hope you understood about the if and else execution. So let us go to the real program now. So what we need is guess a number game now. So I will destroy this whole program now.
Equals it blank.
So I destroyed this whole program. For guess a number game friends, we need one Python library, that is one Python module, that is random. The module name is random, RANDOM. So what the module contain is it contains the function that we want to get a random number in the Python, friends. We can also create our own modules and we can use it. So it is far away from this tutorial, so hence it is too far away concept. I'm not going to explain these things, but remember, the module contains functions, like how if you operated with Excel and all, there are some functions like now to display date and time, today to display date, like that, and sum to what do sum, etc. What you will do is you include equal to before, and you will type the function name. So like that, Python will load all the function, means Python will a Python module file is a collection of functions and also a collection of classes. So we can come to classes concept and all later, so just remember of some functions now. So now, friends, in the beginning, in the first line, we need random module. For that, so there is a keyword for getting a module. There is a keyword in Python called as import. import.
Import selected one of two. Editor space import space T line feed.
So import. So what I need, the module name I will type here.
R and random selected one of two. Editor for guess line import random. Line
Okay, I got random. Friends, let us generate one random number and try to print what it will, what is the value.
Blank.
So generally we access the function name by module. There is this one syntax to access function name present in the module, that is module name dot function name, open the parenthesis. If any argument is there, type that argument. No argument is there, don't type anything and close the bracket. So hence random function has no argument, we will not type anything in the brackets.
Blank.
So I'll show how to produce a random number.
Line feed.
R is equal to,
R.
I'm
list
taking variable name as R.
equals editor for guess line number dot py edit R equals
R is equal to, module name is random.
R M D random dash random selected editor M line R equals random line feed.
So random dot
List random dash random selected one of R A random M D O M random dash M line feed.
So random, open the parenthesis,
Left parent right line
close the
R
parenthesis.
equals random dot random left parent right parent blank R equals random dot random left.
So don't confuse, friends, module name is also random and function name is also random, so a little bit confusion here.
Line.
So don't confuse. Left hand side before the dot is the module name, and right hand side, so which the bracket is present, is the function.
R equals random dot random left parent right blank. R blank.
Then I need to print R here. So
And print left parent edit left right parent R list R selected one R select R right parent.
that's it. So our work is done. So what we need, so what we want is we want to retrieve a random number and print it now.
Import blank. Import blank R print left R equals random dot blank.
The program is like this.
Import random. Import random blank R equals random dot random left parent right parent. R equals random dot random left parent right parent. Print left parent R right parent.
So let us run the program.
Run menu run take guess line number dot list 24 colon rerun R E R. Cancel process fit blank 0.6648310179266227.
So friends, it gives some float type of value, means it gave 0.66 something. Then friends, how to convert this random into like some raw number or something like that. So don't worry, there is a formula for that. For example, if you want to produce a random number between 0 to 10, so you will use
R equals random dot print R equals random.
So the R will, you know that R will random number will store in the R. So if you want a random number between 0 to 10, you will multiply R by 10. So means R is equal to R into 10. So if you want random number between 0 to 100, you will multiply by 100, like that. So friends, in this guess a number game, we will take the 0 to 10 limitation.
R equals random.
So you know how to get a random number and how to access it, and means access the value stored in the random variable.
R equals R print line blank.
I destroyed this line. Only one line is remaining. That is
import random.
That is import random.
Blank.
I imported the random module.
Blank.
So friends, again I will type R is equal to we need the limitation up to 10, the 0 to 10, the random number. So above that it should not store.
R equals
R is equal to
R D list random dash line dot R A N random dash line C left parent R equals random dot random left parent right parent line C right parent.
So
line.
it gives the value of something random value 0 point dot 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 like that. So
R
we want up to 10 now.
right line feed.
So what we will do is after calling the function only, we will type into
star
10.
0 R equals random dot random left parent right parent star 10 line feed. R equals random dot random left parent right parent star 10 blank.
So then what it will the result will be like if the previous result we can if we consider the previous result, it will come as 6.664 like that something. So we don't want like that. So there is another helper function for that.
R blank.
To get a random raw value, means the plain value before, means without the decimal.
R blank.
That is int function. So you noticed that in the input function and all we are using int, that function only.
R blank.
So then we can take this plain number as the variable n. N is equal to
equals editor I T list int dash build editor for T line feed.
Open the parenthesis.
Left parent R list input left parent left R right R n equals int left parent R right parent line.
So here it will take one argument, that is any number like any floating point number or any integer any strings like that. So it will convert those if the number exists in that argument, it will convert into integer. So if 6.664 like that, result will be, it will convert into 6.
N equals int left parent R right parent blank. N equals int left parent R right parent blank.
So we'll read 3 lines of program now. What we wrote.
Import random blank. R equals random dot random left parent right parent star 10. N equals int left parent R right parent blank.
Then friends, we will come to the main part, that makes the guess a number game now. So
line feeds blank N equals int left parent R right blank.
Then we ask the user input now. So we stored all the needed things and all now. So we ask the input after the
N equals int left parent R right parent
after this line
blank.
So we can ask A is equal to
A list and selected equals editor for guess line number dot I N E int dash built in int line feed left parent I N E input left parent left right parent quote E N E R space A N space N U E R space D E T D E E N space 0 space O space 1 0.
So I asked as
A equals int left parent, input left parent, quote enter any number between 0 to 10, quote right parent, line feed.
so A will store the integer variable what we inputted there. So
A equals int left parent, input left parent, quote enter any number between 0 to 10, quote right blank.
then we start the comparison, means we start the conditional execution now. If
F editor for guess line num space.
if A
List a select
A double equal to
equals N list and selected 1 of 21.
N means the real random number that we obtained. N A means here the user inputted number.
If A equals N.
If A is equal to N
line feed
colon, then we will if this is true, if the user gets the correct number, we'll print as
if blank line feed P and print left parent edit left right parent quote E X A C L Y bang space O R E C T G E S S S quote dot. If I print left parent quote exactly bang correct guess dot quote right parent.
So we'll print it as we printed as exactly correct guess like that.
Line feed.
And in the next line we delete some space that put it put it automatically.
Space print blank line feed space line feed space line feed print blank line feed E L L selected
Else.
one edit else colon line feed space line feed
We print as
P and print left parent editor left right parent quote
sorry the number is sorry the guess is wrong.
S O R Y dot space H E space U E S space I S space R O N G dot space
And the number is
T A E space N U M B E R space I S space.
yes. So we need to print and include a number here. So we will type %d
D quote right parent
after the quote
space
we will print we will include one percentage
space
% space and we include that number.
and list and selected one and select else print left parent quote sorry dot the guess is wrong dot the number is %d quote %n right parent line feed space.
So this completes our guess a number game. So the simple guess a number game. So let's play a few times, friends. Let's see what is wrong, what is correct. Let's see.
Run menu. Run tick guess line number tick shift plus. Guess line number dot py. List 4 colon. Rerun tick guess line. Console tab quotes enter any number between 0 to 10.
Okay, I will type 8.
8. Enter any number between 0 process blank sorry dot the guess is wrong dot the number is 3.
Oh, the number was 3.
Enter any number.
It's okay. Then I will play once more.
Run tick guess line number guess line. List 2 colon 4 colon rerun R console. Quotes enter any number between 0 to 10.
Okay, I'll guess it's 7 now.
7. Enter any process blank sorry dot the guess is wrong dot the number is 9.
So the number is 9.
Guess
Run again.
Run tick guess line number 2 4 colon 4 console.
So I'll type 1 now.
1. Enter any number between process blank sorry dot the guess is wrong dot the number is 9.
Oh, again it's 9. So it's a like similar like a tough game. So guess a number. So like this we can construct guess a number game, friends. So I'll revise the program once more.
Import random.
So we imported the random module.
R equals random dot random left parent right parent star 10.
So why we included the star 10 here means it will give 0 point something value into 10. If we do into 10, it will come between the tens value, means 0 to 10. So then in the next line
N equals int left parent R right parent.
so we converted the float, what is the float result into the integer and stored it in a variable.
R N equals int left parent R right parent.
So finally
I equals int left parent.
we done all the computations and asked the user.
N equals int left parent input left parent quote enter any number between 0 to 10.
A user enter in a number between 1 to 10. So and what the user enter we stored in a variable, that is a variable.
If A equals N colon.
If a is equal to n. double equals means the left hand side number is equal to the right hand side number.
Print left parent. Quote exactly. Bang. Correct guess dot. Quote right parent.
So in the next line we included one tab or one space, and we printed the true block. What should be printed on the true block. So this is correct number.
Else colon.
Else.
Print left parent. Quote sorry dot. The guess is wrong dot. The number is %d. Quote %n right parent.
So we done our job here.
Blank. Blank.
So friends, this complete the if and else part. There is another thing called as elif. So elif, friends, we use elif to compute another if any another comparison is there, like if any another comparison is there, we will use it. It's a challenge for you to find the syntax and all for elif, friends, and how elif works. So please research it, and I'll request you to find out how it works. And with this, friends, I'm done with the tutorial. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial, friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Maybe the next tutorial will be about the loops, that is repeating a statement. So we will see what is the loops and what are the types of loops, all the things in the next tutorial, friends. If you liked this video, friends, please click like button. Thank you.